Good morning, students. You are given an acid and a base, two colorless liquids. Asked to find out the nature, whether acid or a base, without tasting. How can we proceed? Yes, will depend on indicators. They are substances indicate the presence of an acid or a base. Natural indicators are available. We already discussed litmus paper, red cabbage juice, turmeric, China rose flower, etc. These are natural indicators. Indicators prepare in the lab also. They are called synthetic indicators. Phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. So, litmus paper has a purple color extracted from the plant lichens, and we synthesized two colors, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Acids turn blue litmus paper into red, bases turn red litmus paper into blue. See the coloration also. And apart from litmus paper, we can depend on China rose flower also. Collect some China rose flower and paste the flower on white paper. You can use this as an indicator to test whether acid or base is present. China rose gives magenta red color in acids and green color in bases. So based on the coloration, we can decide whether the substance is of acidic in nature or basic in nature. See the test conducted by some students to confirm whether the substance is acidic or basic. China rose gives magenta red in acid and green color in bases. Also we can use turmeric solution. Turmeric also can be suggested. You prepare a turmeric paste and using a brush paste the turmeric paste on a paper, white paper. Dry the paper. This functions as a indicator. It functions as an indicator and it is yellow in acids and reddish brown in bases. See the beautiful preparation of a beautiful greeting card using turmeric solution. What is the instruction given? We can prepare a greeting card with the help of turmeric paste. Apply the turmeric paste on a sheet of paper, white paper, and dry it. Draw a beautiful flower with the help of a brush by dipping it in a soap solution. You can see the beautiful coloration created on the paper. Means turmeric imparts reddish brown color in bases. Soap solution we used, it contains a base. So in the presence of a base, turmeric gives a reddish brown color. Okay, so turmeric, shoe flower, litmus paper, they all indicate the presence of an acid or a base. Okay, we can do such experiments in our home. Nowadays we are free in our home. We can do the turmeric test with the help of turmeric paste as well as some substances that contain acids and some other substances that contain bases. And there is a substance which doesn't give any change in acids or bases. They are called neutral solutions. The solutions which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus paper. They do not show the properties of acids or bases. They do not create a change in litmus paper. They are called neutral solutions. Okay, they are neither acidic nor basic. Example, distilled water. That's all today. Thank you.